Another one.
Hey, what up my cruisers? Welcome to another video. So I had plastic dip on my truck for around a year and a half, but I decided to take it off as it was getting scuffed a little bit and I was tired of touching it up all the time when I went on the trail. Plus it didn't really look good after a while because it was starting to fade in some areas, and some areas were darker, some areas were lighter. I mean, it did its job because it protected my paint, but it's already been scratched before, so I wasn't really too worried about it. You know, from off-roading, and you just get, you know, pinstriping, you get the Arizona pinstriping on your paint. You know, if you live in Arizona, you know what I'm talking about. You can probably see it a little bit here in this video.
Many months later.
You know, I got these rock sliders on here, and then I decided to repaint them, retouch them because they're just getting scuffed too. And you know, I didn't really do a good job the last time, so I just wanted to put another coat on there. So I decided, hey, you know what, one day I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna spend the whole day just, like, you know, touching it up. So I taped it up, covered my windows on the front, the windshield, just because I was gonna retouch the hood as well. And I mostly sprayed the undercoat on the rubberized, you know, truck bed liner underneath, you know, the rock sliders, and then that was it for the rock sliders. I think wasn't too bad of a job. Next, I did the window molding, so link in the description for that if you want to buy them as well. I got another video of me putting them on, which I'll probably put up. Then I decided, you know what, the sleeping platform was really heavy. I had like 2 pieces of, like, I don't know what is that, plywood, and it was just getting heavy trying to organize back there, and like when I went camping to move stuff around. So I decided to go with something lighter, a lighter option, which I found online. See, this is my original sleeping pad right here. I got some video right here, and yeah, it was nice and sturdy, but it was really thick and heavy, so I just wanted to be more lightweight. So I decided to take that off, and I decided to organize, you know, my truck for the next camping trip. So I did some organizing, did some rearranging, took the tubs out, you know, relabeled them, put some more things in there, put them back in, and yeah, just trying to get a good setup, you know, more. I wanted everything to be easy for me to find if I needed it, so I just reorganized everything, went back in there, put it together. You know, when you got time, you know, you do stuff like this when you got too much time in your hands sometimes, which, I mean, sometimes I do. Sometimes I usually don't. So, yeah, I ended up doing that for the day. And then I, oh yeah, I also did the LX 450 cubby thing. So, if you have a Lexus LX 450, you might want to check that out, link in the description. So yeah, here's my recovery gear. I put it in one thing. I decided to put its own tub. And here's all my roadside emergency stuff, like, you know, oils and stuff, like tools. I got some more tools in there, some flat tire fix-it kits, and I got a tub for fluids and oils, and, you know, transmission fluid, coolant, whatever, some miscellaneous parts in there as well. And here's my new setup for my camping setup in the back. So if you guys don't know, I sleep in the back of my rig. If you watch my videos, you probably already know that. So I just I'm using my Van Pliers tool right here too. It's pretty handy. Those are pretty handy tools right there. Like, link in the description for these. These come in handy. Very strong grips. Description for that as well. Vampire wrench. So yeah, after I open this box, you guys will see what I got. Here you go. So I like the color. Link in the description for that as well. I tested it out on my most recent camping trip, which I'll probably make a video of soon, but it was really comfortable. No complaints. It's self-inflating, so I'm not planning of de-inflating it, so I had to like put some pillows in there, so it just push it up a little bit. Show you another video on that, but yeah, self-inflating. So it took like maybe maybe a good hour for it to fully inflate, and after that it was pretty thick and sturdy. Like, it was really I was surprised at how comfortable it was. Like, I didn't expect for it to be that comfortable, but after I lay on it, I was like, man, especially once you put a sleeping bag over it, or if you have another kind of pad put on it, like, you could sleep. I slept excellent on my last camping trip with this thing on there. Like, way better than when I had the wood platform on there. So I also wanted to change my molly things in the back. Those are my old ones right here. And I wasn't really happy with them because, I mean, they were pretty nice, but like, I wanted something more sturdy to mount my Second Amendment item, aka my AK. I mean, if you guys don't have a gun, then yeah, but I do, so I wanted something to mount right there. So I got these new molly panels. Put the link in the description for these as well. And they were pretty easy to install. I mean, it's just straps. You just wrap them around the seat, wrap them around the headrest like this one. And I put them back there, and you know, it turned out pretty good. And this is how it looks right now. I put a little, I put my medic kit over there as well. Put another patch right here, and that's where I'm going to intend to mount my AK right there. Probably show you another video. But yeah, everything turned out fine. So this is my new camping set for 2024. Hope you guys like it. Hope you get some ideas if you want to make one yourself. So make sure you comment down below if you got any questions. Subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one. theAZcruiser out.